You guys know that I do not need this. But it's so good. It's so good! Hey guys, it's Sierra and welcome back to Skincare Mondays! Alright, it's Monday. Woo, 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 woo. Another freaking week, guys, of quarantine. How are you guys doing? Wow. But I'm so excited because this week I'm actually going to start a new workout that I got from Dine with Dudes. I don't really know how you pronounce it. I'll leave her link down below, but I think it's Dine with Dudes or Dine with Duddess. I'm not really sure. But she did a Chloe Ting challenge and she lost 10 pounds in a week. And I was like, oh my gosh, like this seems like I could do this and burn some of these quarantine calories. I was doing really well on my diet and then it just took a sharp turn. Also, as always, I'm not centered, so please hold. Okay, so today I'm gonna be talking about a product that I absolutely love. I absolutely love this mask, but this is not a first impressions, and it is the BAM! Focus Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. This is one of my absolute favorite sleeping masks. I have used this mask like in the morning as well and put it on for 15 minutes and wipe it off. It just doesn't do the same thing. Now, it still makes your skin very hydrated and moist and feels juicy and great and all, but there's something about when you let it sink into your skin overnight, it just is chef's kiss. So what we're gonna do is put it all over our face, per usual, and I'm gonna jump on Sephora because Sephora has a really good description of this product. For this mask, they kind of went ham sandwich. I mean, they give you all of the tea about this one. Right off the bat, if you don't like the scent of watermelon, you're going to absolutely hate this mask, okay? It does have watermelon extract in it. If I knew that it didn't have watermelon extract in it and it was just like a scented mask, I probably wouldn't like it because I don't like scents on my face. I really think that it's just not necessary. Okay, you do what you want in your life, okay? I just don't think it's necessary for me in my journey. So we have two different sizes. We have the 2.7 ounce, and that's $45, and then we have the mini size, which is 1 ounce, which is what I have, and that one is $22. Is it weird when I talk about a product with the product on my face like this? Like, you let me know if this is a distraction. Anyway, so we're gonna go into the details. What it is: a skin smoothing, radiance boosting nightly sleeping mask with watermelon hyaluronic acid, which we love, and AHAs that gently exfoliate and refine the look of pores, which we need, okay? It's for all skin types, normal, dry, combination, and oily. Skincare concerns would be pores, dryness, and oiliness. So if you're dry or oily, this mask has got you, okay? It's very, very lightweight. Very lightweight. It just sinks into the skin. The highlighted ingredients are watermelon extract. It hydrates, delivers essential vitamins, and contains anti-inflammatory properties to soothe irritation. Hyaluronic acid, which we spoke about, which hydrates your skin. Hyaluronic acid I use every single day, and it has changed my life. That and putting aloe on your face every day. Don't put aloe on your face and then try to put on makeup. It's not gonna work. But if you put on aloe at night, chef's kiss, okay? AHAs, and it also has peony root, which brightens and soothes skin. This product is also vegan and cruelty-free for anybody who's on that vegan cruelty-free train. And it is also clean as Sephora, which means it doesn't have any sulfates, parabens, phthalates, you know, all the bad stuff. So let's just let it do its thing. I'm gonna leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna wipe it off and then I'm going to wrap up this video. I mean, BRB. I'm back. I have zoomed you in and even with that 10 to 15 minutes, it is so good, guys. I promise you. You know that I'm all about my skincare, right? You know that like I am that person who I don't like bad skin. only because I have had bad skin and it was a horrible experience. Also, if you don't have your skin right, no makeup. It doesn't matter if you are the makeup guru of all time. No makeup is going to look good on top of bad skin. It's not gonna happen. I don't care what anybody says, what TikTok hacks anybody has. Your skin, it doesn't need to be perfect, but it needs to be pretty good if you want to have a flawless makeup application. Period. End of story. This mask, when I wake up in the morning, I feel like I have drank a gallon of water. I feel like my skin has been revived. It is a great mask. I cannot stress that enough. This is probably why this mask is one of the holy grails of all masks, because it is literally that good. Try it out for yourself. I promise you're going to love it. It doesn't even matter what type of skin type you have. It doesn't even matter. It works for everybody's skin type. And that's what I also love about it, which is why I'm able to recommend it to so many people, because it really works for everybody. There has been one person I've recommended this mask to that has been like, never. It's never happened. Never has it ever in the history of my life ever happened. And people ask me about skincare tips every day. Try it out for yourself. You'll see what I'm talking about. I think that's it, guys. That was not sponsored. Also, my edge control came in. You know, I was having a struggle with that. Thank you, Amazon, because it was about to get rough out here in these here streets. I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please, if you guys have content, if you have subscribed to my channel, and if I have not subscribed back, blast me in the comments. I'm really trying to make sure that I'm subscribing back and engaging in everyone's content, but I may have missed a couple people. I'm very sorry. Blast me. And if you're new to this channel and you also have your own channel and you want me to come and support your channel, leave me a comment also. And if you have a new video that's out and you are already subscribed to this channel, leave it down below also. Please. I love watching you guys' content, and I love responding to you guys and engaging with you guys. It really does make me really happy. Like, legit. I'm not just saying that for likes, I promise, okay? That's it. Go buy the mask. I promise you're gonna love it. I'm out. I love you guys so much.